This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. You may remember when this tree fell on my front lawn. It was a couple years back over the holidays, so I cleaned it up myself and hustled all the wood. Later, I took my Bozeman mini edging chainsaw mill and cut some slabs suitable for kitchen cutting boards. So then I introduced the chainsaw hewn surfaces to my new 3¼ inch portable planer from King Canada. It left some tiny ridges between passes, but it was no trouble hand sanding those away using 120, 240, and then 600 grit sandpaper. Now here's a fun fact, neat trip hot tip for you. Wiping down wood with a damp cloth will show any imperfections and resemble closely how it will look when it's finished. Because of some flaws in the wood and an uneven edge, I decided to square up the sides with my table saw. Now, isn't it funny? I recently learned watching YouTube videos that is not the right tool for the job. What I should use is my table saw for ripping and a chop saw for the crosscuts. Hey, who knew? Alright, so the last thing I was going to show you is this router table I got to make a gravy moat or a juice groove. But the board is a little bit on the small side and I don't want to wreck it, so I've decided to just leave it as a cheese block. So full disclosure time, this is my very first router. And it'll be a couple of years before I release a follow-up router tips and tricks or what have you video. But it's coming eventually. I'm in this game for the long haul. I don't know what year it is right now, but you could look for it.